Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am here to walk you through how to add your card to Apple Wallet. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Wallet app on an iPhone or iPad. Then look for the plus icon or the add button within the Wallet app and tap on it. This will initiate the process of adding a card to Apple Wallet. You can see the plus icon available in the top right corner. Tap on it. You will be presented with various options for adding cards such as credit cards or debit cards, transit passes, and many more. Select the appropriate option based on the card you want to add. I am here clicking on debit and credit card. If you are adding credit or debit card, you will have the option to either scan the card using your device's camera or manually enter the card details including the card number, expiring date and security. Here, if you are okay with the first process of scanning, then continue with it or else go and add the card details. After you add the card details, you can simply review and accept any terms and conditions presented by your card issuer or bank regarding adding the card to Apple Wallet. Your card will be verified, and once the process is complete, it will be added to Apple Wallet. And that is it. You have successfully added your card to Apple Wallet. And if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.